my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it, doing it. Let them respect you for.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Empress D. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit that notification bell and join the notification bell gang, okay? To my returning subscribers, welcome back family. Always a pleasure to have you. We are continuing with our Aliexpress haul / review, and today we are doing children's clothing, little girls to be specific. So I will be using my phone as usual, and I'll be looking at the Aliexpress app, and I'll just be letting you guys know the prices, the quality of the items, how they fit, and I'm just going to insert my mini boo either over here or over there. Let me just try it. Right, so I've just moved to the side so I can insert my mini boo over here, trying on her outfits. Her dad came home and she kind of just gave up on me. She didn't want to film the video with me anymore because she prefers to play Candy Crush. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you guys is a two-piece set, which is pink and the distressed jeans, and it's also got a headband. Okay, so Mini Boo will be over here and I'll just be showing you guys and talking as she does her thing here. Okay, right, so this is the headband, and as you can see here, there's, you know, threading and stuff sticking out, but I think after this is ironed it will be fine. You can just snip this off right here, okay, which I will do, but I didn't want to be doing things to the items without showing you guys exactly how they arrive. This is the top that it comes with, and it is elastic, stretches, and it's, you know, it's attached, but it's got the little arms that she puts her hand in here. And you know, the only thing that I would say about this is I wish it was like a bit longer, but you know, if I am not comfortable with it showing up my mini boo's belly, I will just add on to the bottom. So here's another thread here, you guys can see. So I will just add on like an extra layer here just to make it longer, and like maybe some Ankara fabric that has pink in it, because if you know me, I love African wear. And this is the jeans that they come in, and Mini Boo says, look at my broken jeans. Like, she loves them. So the stitching looks fine. The pockets are pink inside, which I think is a nice touch. Okay, so as we go inside, you know, there's a few thread sticking out, so you know, I do think that they can do better of a finishing on these items, but it's fine. Okay, I do think that the jeans are a little bit too short, but it is what it is. Mini Boo is 4 and I bought 3T just because she is slim, and even up to now she's like wearing 2T clothes, so the orders that I've done are either between 2 or 3T, and not all will fit, or not all are long enough, but I know if I buy bigger sizes they will be too big for her. Okay, so I bought the 3T in this one, and I paid £9.88 for this set. My opinion is it's good, like I like it. I just think that the finishing could be done better, and that's all the complaints that I have about that set. Right, so the next one is this purple jumpsuit. Okay, so I bought this in purple, 24 months, that's 2 years, and I paid £6.31 for it. While Mini Boo does what she's doing there, you know, she's a character. So this is it. Okay, now this, bear in mind that this is 2 years old, so this is technically a 2T, and it's, you know, it fits, but the top was a little bit baggy for her, and the bottom from here, the elastic right here, was puffy, so it didn't quite fit her properly. It should have just been loose and let it stay loose, and then you put the little belt around it. That would have been fine, but it's got the elastic right here, and it kind of makes it look weird on her. And also it is short for her. I think I will just cut it just above the knees so she can wear it. The stitching on this is fine. There's no loose threads or anything. So yeah, no complaints from me on this one. This one is well made. It's just, it fits good. Right, so the next one is another 2-piece set, and I bought this one in white and a size 3T, and I paid $9.97 for this one. So this is the top, and I think that this is so super fancy. I mean, MUQGEW doesn't have anything like this at the moment, but I kind of just wanted to get something more fashionable for her. She is a fashionable girl already. Children are supposed to be children, I agree, but I just wanted to get her something fancy, and I think this is it. So this is the top, and it has like a little bit of elastic here, okay, and there's some thread, loose thread here that just needs snipping. Apart from that, the stitching is here as well. Apart from that, the stitching is fine. If you do all of these things, you make sure you snip off the loose threads. Don't pull them, because you can rip the garment apart, okay? So this is the trousers, and I think these flowers are so super cute. I like this. Okay, yeah, so once again, she was excited about her broken jeans. According to her, they're distressed jeans, but these jeans are quite loose, and I think that is appropriate for children. Like, they shouldn't be in fitted jeans unless it's like a jeggings or something, but this is fine. It works for me. You have like a loose thread here, no loose threads in here, pockets are fine. So yeah, this one is also nice. It is worth the £9 odd. Right, so the next one I'm going to show you guys is a jumpsuit, and in the picture it looked black. Let me just insert the picture here before I insert MUQGEW. So it looked black with cream hearts, but it's actually like a navy blue. Now that I have it, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a navy blue. Okay, so I'll insert MUQGEW now. So this is it. Okay, let me just say, back to the other ones, I think they're true to the picture. The fitting is a bit, you know, off, but it is what it is. It's the same as the picture. It's shorter. Let me see what size I got this in. So I got this in a 3T, and I paid £4.26 for it. The only problem I have with this is that it's short. It also has pockets here, and there are no loose threads. Okay, just to mention as well, the waist here is elastic. So the next one is another set, and this is a 2-piece fashion blogger set. This one I got in 2T. The trouser is like too big for the image that, you know, they were going with. If it's bell foot bottom trousers, then it should have been more fitted at the top. I paid £4.90 for it. Right, so this is the top, and it has the little nice sleeves here. It says fashion blogger on it. And this is the trousers right here. Okay, you can see the little bell bottom, but I just think that the top should have been smaller. Right, so with this one, the finishing could have been better because you have all that going on inside. And then on the top you have threads here. Here. Yeah, but all in all, you just need a few snips of the loose threads and it's fine. Right, so MUQGEW doesn't try this one on that I'm going to show you guys, but I purchased this one, and I will just insert the picture here. I thought it was super cute. I got it in the 2T size and I paid £4.47 for it, but unfortunately this cannot fit MUQGEW. Okay, so I'm literally just going to have to give someone this outfit because it doesn't fit MUQGEW at all. The next one is this white top right here, and it's got that, you know, off shoulder thingy. I can't remember what they call this, but it's got that. MUQGEW is over here in this and red shorts, but the shorts are not part of it. I bought the shorts in Next, like when she was 12 months or something, and she still fits in it, so ignore the shorts. That wasn't part of the Aliexpress haul, just this top here, and also the gladiator sandals that she has on. That is part of the haul. But before I go into the gladiators, this top is 24 months, which is 2 years, and I paid £2.19 for this one. Okay, right, so these are the gladiators, you guys. Okay, they are well made and very sturdy, like, yeah. So MUQGEW actually had 2 of these when she was younger, but her feet grew out of them, so I purchased another one, and I will purchase the tan one to these as well. So what I did was I literally measured her feet and I got the size. So in future I will just go like a ½ inch or maybe even an inch above, because this fits her like perfectly fit. The minute her foot begins to grow, they won't fit. Right, so the next one is this nice red and white flower dress. I purchased this in 3T and it fits, but it is too short for MUQGEW to wear it as a dress. And it is £2.08. So she has it on over here. I think when she does wear it, I will have some leggings on under that, so she can kind of wear it as a top instead of a dress, because it is cute, it's just too short. Okay, so it's fine. It just has like loose threads again, so those just need a bit of snipping here and there, here, there, you know. But otherwise to that, it is, you know, pretty good quality. Okay, so the next one is this white and black stripe like shirt dress, and I got this in size 3T, and it is £2.50. And the only problem that I have with this, like, I absolutely love it, but the only problem that I have with this is that it's not as long as it is in the picture. Like, I expected it to be longer. It does fit MUQGEW fine. She will wear it fine, but it's just, it's not like true to the picture, if you get what I mean. And I also got the belt from Aliexpress as well, and I got the belts for the black one was £1.10, and the red one is £1.05. That's what I paid for these, and they are good quality, they are sturdy, and you can also extend them with this little clip here or take them in. Okay, so you can move it so it fits your toddler. And last but not least, we have the two cherry dresses. So we have the cherry dress in white here, it ties at the back here, and I just slapped on like the red belt over it. These are nice little occasion dresses for her to wear, and considering that they're cheap, they're actually good quality. Like, there is not a stitch or a hem that is out of place. The finish is, yeah, it's nice. Also the blue one, same thing. Okay, right, so that is it for our children's haul, and this is the end of our Aliexpress haul review series, and I will catch you guys next week for my other series that I am planning to do. It is a surprise. I actually know what I am doing. I actually have a plan. So as you can tell, I'm getting my stuff together. Okay? So make sure you stay tuned for our next series next week. Okay guys?